Let me love you.
Your hands speak to me, no need for words. Every touch, a language only we learn. Fingers tracing lines like they know where to go. In the quiet of this room, you take it slow. You don't rush, you let your hands say what they need. Every move is a promise, every grip is a plea. It's the way you hold me, the way you pull me in. With every touch we're letting something begin. Right, hands on me, pulling me closer. No need for talk, your touch gets bolder. You don't have to say a thing, I already know. Hands on, baby, let it flow. Let it flow. Let it flow. You're not just touching skin, you're touching my mind. The way your hands move, so calm, so fine. They leave marks on me, not on my skin, but deep in the places you've been. Fingers can't say what they need. Every move is a promise, every grip is a plea. It's the way you hold me, the way you pull me in. With every touch we're letting something begin. Right, pulling me closer. No need for talk, your touch gets bolder. You don't have to say a thing, I already know. Hands on me and baby let it flow. Let it flow. Your hands on my waist, my necklace. It's more than touch, it's more than touch, it's a sacred. It's sacred. No need for words, we're both lost in the fear. Every moment with your hands is so real. Hands on me, pulling me closer. No need for touch, so you don't have to say. Can't say a thing. Hands on me, hands on me, hands on me. I feel you, I feel you, I feel you, I feel you. Hands on me, hands on me, hands on me, hands on me. Hey, 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 hey. Hands on